Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
That's very good. How are you?
Alhamdulillah, by the grace of Almighty Allah, I am absolutely fine. And you?
Same to you. Thank you so much. I just want to know, where are you right now? Very good. So you are at Darul Uloom Jame Sufa.
Yes. I am,
Very good.
I am studying. I am doing specialization in fiqh.
That's very good.
Because I am preach in all world.
Okay. So why do you want to preach all over the world? Why? To spread Islam.
Yes.
In all over the world.
Spread
You want to
Islam
be a good preacher of Islam.
Good preacher of Islam.
That's very good. Okay, I have some questions to discuss in today's class. Are you ready?
Yes, I am ready, sir.
Okay, fine. So the first question which I am going to ask from you, is English an easy or difficult language to learn? English is easy or difficult language?
The English is very easy language.
Very good.
Because it is very important language. It is the need of the day.
Okay, English is a very important language,
Yes,
you mean to say.
important language.
It is
Why?
the need of the day.
The English is very easy because speak a discussion is very important.
So English is important, you said, for everybody, and it is the need of the day. So why have you selected English? You are doing a specialization in fiqh. Alhamdulillah, by the grace of Almighty Allah, you have become an Islamic scholar from Jame Sufa, Saidabad, Balde Town, Karachi. So why are you learning English language? Yes, once again the same question. Why are you learning English and why have you selected English language?
I am select English language because it is very important. It is the need of day. It is the international language. It is the need of all world.
Okay, how long have you been learning English language at Jame Sufa? How long?
1 month, 15 days vacation.
Vacations, yes. You had 15 days vacation. So 1.5 months you have been learning English language. Okay, I just want to know that what have you learned from your English language class? What have you improved? I mean to say, what have you improved? Grammar, speaking, reading, writing, listening, speaking. What have you improved the most?
I improve the grammar and speaking.
Okay, what do you like the most?
English.
What do you like the most? Grammar or speaking?
I am like to speaking.
You like it? So,
grammar.
okay, who is your grammarian teacher?
Sir Tahir.
And conversation teacher?
Yeah, conversation teacher Tahir Sir.
Okay, please let us know, how does Sir Tahir teach?
He teach everything. He is very hard worker. It is very. I miss you in all time.
Thank you so much. Thanks for your golden words about me. Okay, next question I have here. How long will it take to master English? 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 5 years, long time. How long will it take to master in English?
1 year, inshallah.
1 year.
Yeah.
So inshallah, after 1 year, you will become an English language teacher.
Inshallah.
Okay, what will you do after completing English language course? Where are you going to apply your English language course? Will you teach English language?
After the completed my English language learn
Then?
course, after then I am going to village. After then I am preach Islam
In village?
in village.
Out of
Then in fact of Allah.
Very good.
In all world I am preach Islam. In
English
all
is really very helpful language, you know. Very helpful. When you go in the path of Allah,
Yes.
then you realize the importance of English language.
Yes.
You know how? You know, I tell you about myself when I went first time for 4 months at Driving Workers. So there was an announcement, okay, from the speaker that those people who know English, please come in one side.
Yes, mashallah.
So the people who speak English very well, they are more valuable, okay? So that's very good. Okay, next question. Which English skill is the easiest? Reading, writing, listening or speaking? Which English skill is the easiest? Yes, tell me.
The easiest option of in English is
Listening.
listening and speaking.
Listening.
Yes.
English, you mean to say listening is the easiest?
Yes, easiest.
You know what I always say? If you want to be a smart speaker of English, so you have to be a good listener. If you are a good listener, so you are a good speaker. If you are not a good listener, so you are not a good speaker.
It is very important the learn of English.
Listening.
You are good listener. After then of you are good speaker.
Yes.
It is very important for
Okay,
English.
very good. Maulana Inamullah Saab, you are replying very good. May Allah save you from all bad evils. May Allah success you. May you become a good speaker of English language. May you go in all over the world to preach Islam, to forward the message of Almighty Allah to His creatures, to all people. Okay, which English skill is the hardest that you feel that this English skill is very hard? Reading, writing, listening, or speaking? You think that this is very difficult and it takes me too much time to improve? Yes.
Difficult in four option. It is writing in speaking.
Writing.
Writing.
So my answer is here, writing is the hardest skill in English language.
Yes. With me.
With you, okay, this is the problem with you. Okay, may Allah solve your problem. Inshallah, you are going to improve
I am,
all these things. You have spent only 2 months and 1.5 months or 2 months. So inshallah, if you spend 1 year,
after six,
you will be good at in all these things. Inshallah,
after
inshallah.
6 months,
Inshallah, you will become good writer, reader, listener, speaker. Inshallah, inshallah. Why not? May Allah help you. Okay. Okay. Do you enjoy learning or speaking English? Like when our teacher comes in the class, teacher teaches something, you learn something that you feel enjoy, that you feel very good, or with the help of speaking. Like whenever there is a conversation class like this, do you enjoy in speaking or you enjoy in learning? Yes.
I enjoy most the speaking.
Last question, okay. I'm going to wind up our conversation, okay. My conversation with you. Where do you apply English? Where do you utilize your English? Except your class. Like, do you speak English with your friends after the class? Do you speak English with your classmates, with your teachers?
Discussion.
Okay, you do discussion.
I friend and with my classmate.
Okay, what do you say about your English language class? How is it going? How is your English language class going on?
Very good.
Thank you so much. Jazakallah. Very nice.